What is good, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be ranking the content that made me the most money. And the way this tier list works is that the more higher I rank something, the more money it will make you. Let's start off with faceless YouTube content, okay? And I know you have probably seen a lot of videos that you should start posting faceless, but let's be honest. I've tried it. It sucks. You know why? Because first of all, it's hard to build trust. It's hard to sell anything if you don't have trust. And also, it's not basically a personal brand. You're not showing your face. No one knows who you are. Therefore, it goes to C tier because it's super saturated. Everyone wants to do it. Therefore, it fucking sucks. Obviously, there are people who are making money with this, but overall, it's kind of mid. Next up on the list, posting entertainment videos like social experiments, entertainment. Let's be honest, it sucks as well. You know why? Because it's hard to sell shit. You need a big audience to make some money with sponsorships, to make some money with AdSense. But if you're posting entertainment combined with your niche, like you're teaching people how to do shit, then it's pretty alright, okay? Then it's pretty good. But if you're just posting entertainment, you don't have anything to sell, you don't have a business around it, then it kind of sucks. But overall, I'm gonna put it in B tier because it can make some money, but it's not that great. Then we have posting educational videos. This is freaking amazing. You know why? Because it brings trust, it brings clarity, it brings views that will actually buy from you in the future, leads, etc. So overall, for your personal brand, if you're selling something, this is S tier. And like I said, this video is about making money with your content. This is freaking amazing. S tier. Okay, you should always post educational content because it gets a lot of customers. Next up on the list, we have posting videos without CTAs, call to action. If you're not causing your viewer to take the next step, then what's even the point? Okay, it can be as simple as subscribe to the channel, book a free call, watch the next video, join the email list. It's simple as that. And the reason why this is so powerful is because we're not just becoming YouTubers. We have to build a business. We have to sell something to these people, and they also need help. So obviously this is very powerful to have a CTA, but if you don't have CTAs in your videos, then it's kind of ass, right? Therefore, subscribe to this channel. But yeah, posting videos without CTAs it's B tier because you can later on post CTAs. You can fix it. Therefore, it's not super bad, but you should always have some sort of CTAs in your videos. Next up on the list, we have talking head videos. Listen, it's powerful, it's easy to produce, you can bring a lot of value to your audience, and they can easily book a free call, maybe buy something from you, join the course, etc. This is very powerful. So I'm gonna put this in A tier. In my opinion, posting educational videos like sharing your screen, having a whiteboard is more powerful, but still talking head videos is essentially can be educational, so it's very damn powerful. Next up, we have posting lifestyle content like vlogs, POV. I just went to Dubai. That's a video I just posted. You can go check it out after this. This is pretty good. You know why? Because especially if you're trying to sell something, it brings curiosity. You're showing your lifestyle. You're showing your personality in those videos. That's very powerful. It brings trust as well. Because if you're just always posting education, you're not showing your personality, then it's kind of like watching a robot. Okay, so that's why you should sometimes post these lifestyle videos. It doesn't even have to be all crazy. You can just you going to the gym, talking and showing your personality. It's very damn powerful. It brings that contrast to your personal brand. So that's why I'm gonna put it in S tier, because you need some lifestyle content. Let's be honest, you need some lifestyle content. And then we have posting motivational content. Listen, if you have a niche, you're teaching people how to do shit like get a six-pack, get rich, something like that, get good at trading, and you're posting some motivational videos here and there, then it's good. Then it's actually pretty damn good. But if you're just posting motivational videos, it's mid. You know why? Because it's hard to sell something. You're not known for one thing. You're just motivating people, but you'll get a lot of views. Don't get me wrong. You'll get a lot of views, but those viewers are hard to convert into buying customers, and that's the whole point. We don't want to just build a channel with a lot of views. We want to make money. Okay, we want to help people. Motivational videos are mid. Therefore, I'm gonna put it in B tier. The reason why I'm gonna put it in B tier is because it can make you a lot of money if you have the niche, like I said. But if you're just posting motivation, then it's obviously D tier. But I'm gonna put it in B tier because it can make you a lot of money if you are doing it the right way. Next up, we have recording tier list videos. As you can see, you're currently watching one. And the reason why these are one of my personal favorites is because you can bring some value within this. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently bringing a lot of value. I'm showing you what to do, but also these are easy to produce, fun to record, and also it can get you some clients. It gets you new traction to your channel. It gets you new views. and potential clients, like I said. So therefore, I'm gonna put it in A tier. Okay, it's not as great as pure education in terms of like getting money. Not everyone likes them, but in my opinion, you should record some if you do. Posting testimonials, client results on your channel. You already know what I'm about to say if you have watched my videos before. This is literally social proof. This shows your viewers, your audience, that you know what you're doing. This shows that literally this is what goes inside their head when they watch a video like this from you. They're like, okay, his student just made X amount of money doing this, so why not me? His student just gained a six-pack within 90 days of being in his program, so why shouldn't I book a free call? Why shouldn't I join? You see where this is going? This is instant social proof, instant trust. So you can literally just put the link in the description after this, like join the mentorship. Okay, this is very damn powerful. This will get you some clients. Okay, you should always post this if you are selling info. Therefore, this goes to S tier. Then we have podcasts. This actually can bring you some money. Let's be honest. If you do it in a way that maybe you bring some value in it, that's very powerful. You get your clients in it, that's very powerful. But if you're just posting podcasts in general, just some basic podcasts, then it's kind of mid. Therefore, I'm gonna put it in B tier, because if you do it the right way, it will get you a lot of money. If you do it the wrong way, that most people are doing, it's just posting podcasts in general, then it's kind of mid. It gets you some views, but is it easy to convert the viewers into buying customers if you do it the normal way? It's not easy, but if you do it the right way, it's very easy. Posting your own results is one of the best things you can do to get new clients, trust, everything. Okay, because like people will watch that and they start to trust you more. People will watch that and they want to buy from you. That is how it goes. Okay, because that's just literal social proof right there. Okay, and this is just a random picture I took from my video, but this is just an example. My first personal brand was around the trading niche. Obviously, the best way I could show my results was literally me recording a recap. Here's how I made X money trading today. Okay, if you have a fitness program, if you have a fitness channel, here's how I gained a six-pack in a year. Here's how I gained some biceps. Okay, this is very powerful. This brings immediate trust and clients. Okay, I'll be honest. So this goes to S tier. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the free bootcamp dropping on June 22nd.